You guys are so awesome contributing to the channel, letting me know your favorite foods in the comments and all that stuff that you enjoy. And I will continue doing some shout outs too as well. So do keep the comments coming. Visionaries, welcome back for another mukbang. Today I'm doing rice with some sausage and cucumbers, and you can see the cucumbers, they kind of look like pickles because I pickled them myself. So cut up a regular sized cucumber, took some lemon juice and salt. Very simple, so good. Really good. Tangy. And then I have some romaine lettuce for added crunch. So I'm kind of going to make these things into a lettuce wrap. So how are you guys? Thank you for joining me today. Just going to get my hands right in here. Put some rice in there. So that's my little flip on this, I guess you call it, challenge or trend, food trend. I believe it came from Eat with Kim, and then I saw it on Bloveslife channel too. So good stuff, guys. The sausage is smoked beef sausage, similar to kielbasa. I think it's Eckrich brand. Nothing fancy. It's good. Good stuff. How are you guys today? I hope you are enjoying your summer. The kids are back in school. Good times. This is a good combo. I think I need a little bit of spice or something though. But it's tasty. So guys, comment below. Let me know if you've tried this challenge, this food combo together, and what do you think about it? But it's really good. And then at the same time, I'm kind of doing the no utensil challenge again because I'm using my hands. So, but if you haven't seen the no utensil challenge that Ells and I did with the Indian food, take a look because we just did one recently. And visit us there, comment, give a thumbs up, all of good stuff. I'm not a super fan of cucumber, like melon, watery type of fruits and vegetable flavors, but I've grown to love cucumbers. I really like the Persian cucumbers, those mini cucumbers. Again, watching Bloveslife channel. I didn't even know those things existed till I saw her eating those, and I thought they were tiny pickles. But then she mentioned what they were, and I bought some a couple of times, and I enjoy those, and I still pickle them. Put the lemon juice and salt, or key lime juice, because you guys might not know, but I used to be vegan, so as you can see, I'm not now, and I was also following an alkaline diet, for you guys that know what that is. And so cucumbers, key lime juice, things of that nature, lime juice in general. I'm used to like squeezing and putting that on my food from that. So that's what I'm used to kind of eating in general with my vegetables and all that. So that's what I came from. And you guys probably can hear the fan bam in the background, so they up and at them, and I think watching golf or something like that. So, we're just enjoying the meal. So, you guys are so awesome contributing to the channel, letting me know your favorite foods in the comments and all that stuff that you enjoy. And I will continue doing some shout outs too as well. So, do keep the comments coming. And I love new visitors to the planet. So, do like, share, and subscribe. So, some of you may be wondering why the channel is called Venus Eats. And my name is not Venus, first of all, so it is not my namesake, but Venus is my ruling planet. I'm a Taurus, so that's what Venus is. And I have another channel that I started several years ago. That's called Absolute Venus on here too. So if you're interested in that, check it out. It's Absolute Venus. But I have always been a foodie, so I decided to start a Venus Eats channel. So that's what the Venus origins came from. And Venus is the ruling planet of like beauty and all the tactile things, so all your senses and indulging your senses. So it was like that's totally me. I like comforting things, whether it be food, art, music, or anything, please my senses, and excite my curiosity and stuff. That's why I like visiting you guys' channels on here. Really cool stuff, and I love meeting new people and learning about them. So when you visit, please do let me know you're here in the comments below. So really good. This is really good and refreshing because it comes to cut through the fat of the sausage and everything. So it's a really good balance. So some of my audience likes the no talking factor, so I'm gonna try some for the next few minutes. So I'm just gonna eat without talking. Thank you for tuning in, guys. See you next time. And in the meantime, watch some more videos on the planet. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, be well and peace, family.